Hmm. So guys, today it's a second class, and we will going to learn. Just a second. Avoir verb and definite articles. And in the definite articles, we will also learn how to distinguish between a masculine word and a feminine verb. All right. So
Okay.
avoir verb is, you all know what subjects are. It's a je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. All right. This thing we have already done in the last class. I hope you guys remember what is être verb. So let's go and find learn avoir verb. So the conjugation is j'ai, ai, tu as, il, elle, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Uh, Fine.
Fine.
Yes.
If you have any doubt, just feel free to stop me.
Okay.
And the meaning of this avoir verb is j'ai. It's pronounced as j'ai. It means I have. Tu as, you have. It's an informal manner. Il a, elle a, on a. He, she, or someone has. Nous avons. We have. Vous avez. You have. It's a formal manner. Whenever we use vous, it's formal. Always remember this thing. Or if there are too many people, or if there is a group of people. All right. Ils ont, elles ont. They have masculine. Ils, elles is feminine. Now let's learn what is les articles définis. Guys, so articles définis are le, la. Le is masculine. La is feminine. Les is plural. Les is plural. Now, there is a small thing that there is we often use L apostrophe. Why we use L apostrophe? Suppose if a sentence starts with a vowel or a silent H, because in French language there are vowels like A, E, I, O, U and H. But when you will go to reach the higher level, you will realize that H is not really a vowel. The silent H is a vowel. Too many teachers often neglect this part. In the beginning, people will tell you that A, E, I, O, U and H. Why? For to make things easy. So the example is l'homme. Why? Because there is a H. Jasdeep, can you give an example with L apostrophe?
L'hôpital.
Very good.
L'hôtel.
Very good. All right. Les étoiles. All right. Uh, English version of le, la, le is D. T-H-E-D. D or the, whatever you pronounce it. All right. So when do we use article défini? See, whenever the noun is very specific. For example, la voiture de Nicolas. La voiture de Nicolas. All right. The car of Nicola. Here the noun became very specific once we added Nicola. All right. The in French means of. Le garçon derrière toi. Le garçon derrière toi. Now garçon became very specific because derrière toi, which means behind you. All right. Le copain de Monica. The boyfriend of Monica. All right. Why it became la? Because it became very specific. To whom does it belong? It belongs to Monica. Same thing happens with this le garçon derrière toi, the guy behind you. La voiture de Nicolas, the car of Nicolas. All right. And it is used for general habits, tastes, etc. For example, daily routine things. Le matin, in the morning, je me lève à 8 heures. In the morning, all right, je me lève à 8 heures. मैं 8 बजे नहाता हूँ. This thing is there. La nuit, le dat. We often write na le 18 juillet 2014. Before edit, we always write le, la, le. We write actually le
Yes.
only. I'm just telling you. So why do we use it? Because it became very specific that on this date, this is the reason why you have to use le with a date. All right. Any doubt, Ankit?
No. All clear.
All
I
all
have
right.
a point here. Le garçon derrière toi.
Mhm.
Uh, Garçon, the word garçon itself has an S, or
Yeah,
it's
it's a typing mistake
plural.
from my side.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm
Les
very happy.
garçons. It has to be les garçons, na?
Yeah. And
Plural
if you'll
or plural.
apologies. And if you'll observe there, here, there should be an just a second. There should be an accent also.
Oh,
Here. There, here. It's my
air.
typing mistake.
Okay.
Yeah. L'accent grave should be there.
Graph. Yes.
Alright. Very good. Uh, then there are verbs which follow le la le. Le la le means they follow this thing. Article défini. These are aimer verb, adorer verb, détester verb. Why? Because these verbs are related with habits, tastes. For example, elle déteste les fruits. ठीक है? It's about taste. It's about habit. कि नहीं है पसंद. I don't like this thing. So it becomes elle déteste les fruits. Same thing. Can you make a phrase with aimer, Ankit?
Alim. Alim. Aleopari.
Uh, Pari. But I want you to
Apari.
use. I want you to. I want you to
हाँ.
use it with le
Alim.
la le.
Alim. Manger banane.
LM
Elle
manger. Mhm.
aime manger les bananes.
LM manger les bananes. Ouais, très bien. Now it's your turn, Jasdeep, with adorer verb. I want you to make one phrase with adorer verb.
J'adore les étoiles.
Very good. Very romantic. Ankit, one more word, just one more word, one more sentence, and we will move on.
With what? With
Any of these three verbs.
j'aime bien aller au gym.
No, I want you to use le, la, le, article défini.
Article défini. J'aime j'aime les
Mhm.
les j'aime les fruits.
All right, Ankit, I want
Je
you
peux essayer?
to.
Je peux essayer?
Oui.
J'aime la réflexion de vent dans tes yeux.
Bravo.
Quoi?
It's
Je n'ai pas écouté. C'est quoi? C'était quoi?
J'aime la réflexion de vent dans tes yeux.
Bien ça. Oui, je comprends.
You want to try again, or you want me to move on? But I want you to, I really want you to make at least 10 sentences.
Je déteste les végétables.
Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. And
Je déteste
mhm.
les œufs.
Laser. All right. Laser. It's not X is not it's on normal sound. Je déteste laser.
Les œufs.
All right. Now there is one thing. There was one problem in your sentence, Jasdeep. You used le réflexion instead of la réflexion. Réflexion is feminine. Now, I have made this list. How to understand genders in French language, because see, this is a common mistake that people often do. So all the words within that ends with age are masculine. All the words. All right. ment, monument is masculine.
Bat-
Close your eyes and
Batimo.
just hmm?
Batimo.
Bâtiment. Ouais, très bien. Uh, O, EAU, phone, scope. These are masculine words automatically. All right. This portion is masculine and this portion is feminine. For sure, there are some exceptions here, and I want you to find those exceptions and write. For example, la cage, la rage, etc. For example, age, le fromage, du fromage. It's masculine. Otherwise, what generally teachers do, they say that anything that ends with e you can consider it as feminine, but it's not true. All right, Ankit, are you there?
Yes.
All right. Are you understanding how to differentiate between masculine and feminine words in French language?
Me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
All
Understand.
right. Same thing goes with this thing. These are feminine words. If you see a word that ends with ade, for example, la bousculade, then it's feminine automatically. Let, et, ion, reflexion. Your word, Jasdeep. It's ION, reflexion.
La reflexión.
URE, allure. Allure, we often say, na, allure. It's feminine. Then comes,
It's to lighten up now.
yeah,
Allure is to
yeah, yeah,
lighten
yeah,
up.
yeah, 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 yeah. Then Sion, TION. All right, été, ons, le. It's lower E. I think it's I and E. All right. So I want you to do one thing, that whenever you see a word, for example, there are a lot of words where you won't be able to apply this rule. For example, stylo, la chaise. All right. In these things you won't be able to. But if you learn this table, then you will be able to learn how to distinguish between feminine and masculine words. All right. Now this is from the last class. That's it from my side. Uh, any doubt in this thing?
No.
No.
La.
So
No.
I want you to do one homework, that I want you to write at least 10 sentences with le, la, le and article and article défini. All right.
Definitely.
And Ankit, I want you to use avoir verb.
Okay.
I want you to use avoir verb with article défini.
Definitely. Okay.
All right. I
Die
want you
frase
to.
avec article défini en utilisant le verbe avoir.
Très bien. Oui. All right. This is what you have to do. This is your homework.
Okay.
Okay. That's it. Can we stop now?
Yes.
Yes.
Just a second. Let me just stop the this thing.